Welcome students to the standard 10th. Here I am Pandre teacher and today we are going to study about the chapter 1 similarity of subject geometry. Now what is meant by similarity? Similarity म्हणजे काय? तर त्याची डेफिनेशन बघूया आपण. When two figures having congruent angles but the sides are in proportion, then they are called as similar figure. When two triangles having the congruent angles, angle A congruent to angle P, that is 60 degree, angle B, angle Q, that is both are congruent having the 70 degree, then angle C, angle R, they are congruent to each other, they are having the 50 degree angles. So when the two figure having the congruent angles, that is congruent angles, and their sides are in proportion, that is side AB and side PQ, they are in proportion. The side AB is the 2 and side PQ is the 4. That is, they are in double proportion. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So the reduced form is the 1 upon 2. Similar is the case here. That is side BC and side QR. They are also the ratio form 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. That is the side of the triangle PQR. QR is double to the side BC. 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6, 1 upon 2, and same is the case 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, that is 1 upon 2. So all these three sides they are double of the sides of the triangle ABC. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the again 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. So these sides are the double of the first triangle. Therefore, the sides are they are in the proportion, that is AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Then we can say असं जर असेल तर आपण असं म्हणू शकतो triangle ABC similar, this sign is the similar to triangle PQR. Now let's learn the statement which you studied in the standard 9. तुम्ही standard 9 ला ratio and proportion मध्ये शिकलात. The numbers A and B are in the ratio m upon n, or it can be written in the proportional form m is to n. Now the numbers A and B means what? The numbers A and B are the positive real number. A आणि B म्हणजे काय? ते पॉझिटिव्ह रिअल नंबर आहे. पॉझिटिव्ह रिअल नंबर म्हणजे काय? ए बी ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायची. दॅट इज द पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5. दॅट इज a 1 a is equal to 1, 2 3, b also is equal to 1 2 3, etc. So these are the positive real numbers because length of line segment, that is length, this is the length of line segment, they are always expressed in the positive numbers. मी साइड्स ज्या असतात लेंथ ज्या असतात त्या पॉझिटिव्ह असतात, नक्की निगेटिव्ह असतात. तसंच एरिया ऑफ एनी फिगर आर ऑल्सो द पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स, पॉझिटिव्ह रिअल नंबर. आणि एरिया पण जो एरिया आहे तो देखील आपण कशात व्यक्त करतो? इट इज एक्सप्रेस इन द पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स, नॉट एरिया नेवर निगेटिव्ह. सो एरिया और लेंथ they are always expressed in the positive numbers. Now the area of triangle, the formula of area of triangle is the half base into height. So in this triangle ABC, that is the area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into height. Now for better understand the similarity, the other examples here are the first these two figures, that is circle, one circle is smaller, the second is the bigger. So these two figures they are similar to each other, they are not congruent. Similar मध्ये एक फिगर लहान असते, एक फिगर मोठी असते. Again the examples of the coins, these two are the similar figure, दिसायला सारखेच पण लहान मोठे. Here two spheres, they are also similar. About the rectangles, one is smaller, one is greater. So both are the similar figure. And the two pots, these two pots, they are also the similar figure, दिसायला सारखेच फक्त लहान मोठे. ओके, बघूया आपण नेक्स्ट. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दॅट let's learn new point, that is the ratio of areas of two triangles. Ratios of areas of two triangles. Now the ratio of areas of two triangles. The statement is that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding height and corresponding heights. Let's consider the two triangles. Triangle 1 is the triangle ABC. The height is the AD, and triangle second is the triangle, that is the PQR, and the height is the PS. So the statement, the ratio of areas of, so the area of triangle ABC, according to the statement, area of triangle ABC, take the ratio with the second triangle, that is the area of triangle PQR. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio, again take the ratio of the products of their bases. The products of their bases are BC, and the second base is the, that is the QR, their bases. Take the products with their heights, their bases and corresponding heights. The corresponding heights are the AD upon PS. Now in short we can say that is the area of triangle first is the A1 upon the area of triangle second is the A2 is equal to their bases B1 B2, that is B1 upon B2 multiplied with their heights H1 H2 H1 H2. So this is the relation, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the products of their bases and corresponding heights. So this is one. Now suppose some conditions are imposed on these two triangles, means काही कंडिशन्स आहे या ट्रायंगल्सवर बेस्ड आहेत, त्या बघूया. कंडिशन फर्स्ट, हा भाग तुम्हाला समजलाय, तुम्ही नोट डाऊन करू शकता तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये. नाउ सेकंड वन, द कंडिशन. The first condition based on this is the condition 1. And the property, if the heights of both the triangles are equal. Then see, if the heights of both the triangles are equal, means based on that ratio, the first condition, heights, take the heights of these triangles equal, take the heights equal. So height, suppose this one is the h, and second triangle also the h, same height. Don't take h1 and h2, both the heights are equal. Suppose this is the 3 centimeter, this is also the 3 centimeter, heights are equal. Again the triangle a b c, and second triangle is the p q r, the bases are different. So if the heights of the triangles are equal, then the ratio, this is the base b1, this is the base b2, then the heights AD, this is the S. The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That is, in these two triangles, the area of first triangle is the area of triangle ABC upon the area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of, see, in these two triangles, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights, heights are equal, टू द रेशो ऑफ मीन्स हाईट गेट कॅन्सल, हाईट कॅन्सल होते, हाईट सेम आहे, हाईटला गृहीत धरायचं नाही, काय राहिलंय, इज इक्वल टू द रेशो ऑफ देअर करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसेस, काय राहिले त्यांचे बेसेस, बेसेस हे डिफरंट आहे, याची लेंथ ही लहान दिसते, याची लेंथ मोठी, सपोज दिस लेंथ इज 4 अँड दिस लेंथ इज 6, सो काय राहिलंय फक्त त्यांचे बेसेस, म्हणजे हाईट जर इक्वल असेल, हाईटला कॅन्सल करायचं आणि त्यांचा रेशो हा त्यांच्या बेसेसच्याच प्रमाणात राहतो. सो bases are the BC upon QR, because here height get cancelled, this one height get cancelled, so what remain, the bases. So in the short form we can write that is area of triangle A1 A2, therefore A1 upon A2, what remain there, bases, so bases B1 B2, हाईटला घ्यायचं नाही, हाईट सेम असेल तर फक्त एरिया त्यांच्या बेसेसच्याच प्रमाणात राहतो, A1 अपॉन A2 इज इक्वल टू B1 अपॉन B2. याला रिझन असतं दॅट इज द ट्रायंगल्स विथ इक्वल हाईट्स, जेव्हा आपण सम करू तेव्हा अशा प्रकारे याला रिझन लिहायचं असतं, ट्रायंगल्स विथ इक्वल हाईट्स. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द condition 2. The condition 2 is that condition 2, then property. If basis, that is B now, of both the triangles equal, then therefore take the two triangles here, now in these two triangles the bases are equal and the first triangle is the A, B, C, and take here height is the AD. This height is AD, and take the second triangle, that is the triangle. Here is the A, P, B. Here triangle first ABC and second triangle is the ABP. The height of the ABP is the PQ. So these two triangles. Now the ratios. The statement is that the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Now again the statement, the ratio of areas of two triangles. So take the ratio of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ACB upon area of triangle APB. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases. Now bases are equal. The is equal to the base of first triangle, that is ACB. The base of ACB is the AB, and the base of APB also AB. Means what is same, तसा सेम काय त्यांचा बेस सेम आहे. मग बेस सेम आहे म्हणजेच B upon B लिहायचा, B1 आणि B2 लिहायचं नाही, B upon B with equal bases is equal to the corresponding heights. मीन्स ह्यांचा जो रेशो आहे ट्रायंगलच्या एरियाचा रेशो हा त्यांचे बेसेस जर इक्वल असेल तर त्यांच्या फक्त हाईटच्याच प्रमाणात राहतो. हाईटचं प्रमाण, हाईट इज द फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल हाईट इज द H1 is the CD, and the second, the height of triangle APB is the PQ. So BB get cancelled. What remain? The height. So in short form we can write area of first triangle A1 upon the second triangle is the A2 is equal to, take their heights as the H1 upon H2, and BB get cancelled. So we can write the reason, that is triangles with equal bases. So this is the second condition.